Hello students, we are doing chapter number 1 rational and irrational number exercise 1.4. In this exercise you will get problem based on surds. So first we will discuss what is a surd and then we will do the exercise. So surds are the irrational number which are in the form of n root a. This n is here any positive integer, it should be greater than 1, and a is any rational number, any positive rational number. So for example, root of 2, root of 3, root of 5 are the surds of order 2. See the value of n. If n is 2 means order of surd is 2. If n is 3 means order of surd is 3. If n value is 4 means order of surd is 4. Here 2 we will not write square root of 2, we will write simply this symbol 2, it is understood, no need to write. From 3, 4, 5 other remaining order we will write. We have certain rules to solve the problems based on surd. First we have n root of a, which we can write as a to the power 1 by n also. Both meaning is same. If we are multiplying two surds of same order, n root of a and n root of b, then we can write it as n root of a into b. Same rule we can apply for division also. If we are dividing two surds of same order, n root of a and n root of b, we can write it as n root of a divided by b. If we have two surds, this surd part is same. You can see here n root b, n root b, but this coefficient before this is different, and then we can take out this common. We can take it out as common, and this remaining number we can write it together. This rule is applicable for both addition and subtraction. Second thing, root a plus root b. Any two surds, if their order is, here order is same but inside value is different, then this is not equal to a plus b, root of a plus b. For multiplication this rule is applicable, for division this rule is applicable, but for addition and subtraction this rule is not applicable. Value will come different both the side. Now we will start exercise 1.4. Question number 1. Simplify the following. First part is given root of 45 minus 3 root of 20 plus 4 root of 5. So first this root of 45 we will change into the simplest form. This work you can do in rough column or you can do in main column, no problem. So root of 45, which you can write as 3 into 3 into 5. 3, 3, 9 and 9, 5, 45. Now in square root, in place of 2 number we have to take 1 out. So we have here 2, 3. It means we can write it as 3 root 5. Now similarly this root 20 also we will simplify. Root 20 we can write as 2 into 2 4 and 4 into 5 20. So we can write it as 2 root 5, and this root 5 already in simplified form. So now we will replace the value. Root 45 we can write as 3 root 5 minus 3 is as it is, and root 20 we can write as 2 root 5 plus 4 root 5 as it is. 3 root 5, and this we can write 3 into 2 6 root 5 plus 4 root 5. Now you can see root 5 root 5 root 5. In all the three term it is there. So we can take it out common, and remaining number we can write together 3 minus 6 plus 4 root 5. So 3 minus 6 is minus 3 and minus 3 plus 4 is 1. So the value of this is root 5. Simplification of this number is root 5. Second part, 3 root 3 plus 2 root 27 plus 7 root 3. So this we cannot simplify more than this. Root 27 we can simplify. So root 27 we can write it as 3 into 3 into 3. So in place of 2 3 1 3 we can take out. So it will be equal to 3 root 3. So we have here now 3 root 3 plus 2, and in place of root 27 we can write 3 root 3 plus 7 by root 3. So it will become 3 root 3 plus 2 into 3, 6 root 3 plus 7 by root 3. Now 3 plus 6 we can write it as 9 root 3 plus 7 by root 3. Now this little more we can simplify it. If this 7 by root 3 we will multiply up and down with root 3, then in numerator we will get root 3 and from denominator this root symbol will go. So 7 by root 3 we will multiply with root 3 up and down. Then it will become 7 root 3 by root 3 into root 3 will become 3. So now you can see root 3 and root 3, both the term is having root 3. We can take it out as common. We have 9 plus 7 by 3 and outside the bracket we have root 3 which we have taken out common. Now this we can simplify. After taking LCM we need here 3. So we will multiply first term with 3 up and down and second term as it is. 9 into 3 27 by 3 plus 7 by 3 root 3. So 27 plus 3 will become 34 by 3 root 3, which is our answer. Next third part, 6 root 5 into 2 root 5. So this we cannot simplify. We have to multiply it. So 6 into 2 will become 12 and root 5 into root 5 will become 5. So we will get 12 into 5 which is equal to 60. Next fourth part, 8 root 15 divided by 2 root 3. So 8 root 15 we have to divide by 2 root 3. So this root 15 we can simplify little more. Root 15 we can write as root of 5 into 3, which we can write as root 5 into root 3. So we will replace it. We can write it as 8 into root 5 into root 3 divided by 2 root 3. So you can see root 3 to root 3 we can cancel out, and from 2 this 8 also we can cancel out 4 times. So our answer is here 4 root 5. Next fifth part, root of 24 divided by 8 plus root of 54 divided by 9. So first root of 24 and root of 54 we will simplify. Root of 24 which we can write as 2 into 2 into 6, or we can write it as 2 root 6. Similarly, root of 54 we can write as 3 into 3 into 6 or 3 root 6. Now we can replace it. 2 root 6 by 8 plus 3 root 6 by 9. We can cancel 8 by 2, 2 4 ja and 3 3 ja. We have now root 6 by 4 plus root 6 by 3. So root 6 we can take out common because it is there in both the term. We can write it 1 by 4 plus 1 by 3. So at this step we can take LCM. We can make both the denominator same, or directly you can take LCM. LCM is 12. In 4 table it is coming 3 times. So here 3 will come, and in 3 table it will come 4 times. So 4 into 1, 4 will come. So we will get here root 6 into 7 by 12. Or we can write it as 7 by 12 root 6. Next sixth part, 3 by root 8 plus 1 by root 2. So first this root 8 we can simplify. Root 8 we can write as 2 into 2 into 2, or we can write it as 2 root 2. So we will replace it. We can write now 3 by 2 root 2 plus 1 by root 2. This 1 by root 2 and by root 2 we can take out common, and we have now 3 by 2 plus 1. Take LCM. LCM will be 2, 3 plus 2. So we will get 1 by root 2 into 5 by 2. Now if in denominator we have root 2 or root 3, something like this, we have to eliminate this. So to eliminate this, we will multiply root with root 2 up and down. So after multiplying with root 2 up and down, we will get 5 root 2 by, in denominator, 2 into root 2 into root 2. Root 2 and root 2 will become 2 and 2 into 2 will become 4. So answer is 5 root 2 by 4. Next we have question number 2. Simplify the following. First part, 5 root 7 multiply by 2 root 5. So first we will multiply with the first number, second bracket, 5 into 2 plus root 5, and then with the second number is plus root 7 with the second bracket. Now 5 into 2 will become 10 and 5 into root 5 will become 5 root 5. 7 into root 7 into 2 will become 2 root 7, and root 7 into root 5 will become root 7 into 5. So 10 plus 5 root 5 plus 2 root 7 plus root of 35. And this we cannot simplify, all the terms are different. Here root 5 is there, root 7, root 35, so we cannot add these. This is our answer. Second part, 5 plus root 5, another bracket is 5 minus root 5. You can do the multiplication in the same way, or you can use here identity also. We know a plus b into a minus b is equal to a square minus b square. So this identity also we can use here. So in place of a we have 5, in place of b we have root 5. So this will be equal to 5 square minus root 5 square. So 5 square is 25 and root 5 square means root 5 into root 5 means equal to 5. So 25 minus 5 is equal to 20. Third part, root 5 plus root 2 whole square. So you can write this bracket 2 times because square is there, and you can do the simple multiplication like first part, or you can use identity here. We can use here a plus b whole square identity. A plus b whole square is equal to a square plus b square plus 2ab. So in place of a we have root 5, in place of b we have root 2. So we can write it as root 5 square plus root 2 square plus 2 into a means root 5, b into root 2. So root 5 square is equal to 5, root 2 square is equal to 2, and this we can write 2 root 10. 5 into 2 will become root 10. So 5 plus 2 we can write it as 7 plus root 10. Next, fourth part, root 3 minus root 7 whole square. You can do simple multiplication, or you can use the identity a minus b whole square is equal to a square plus b square minus 2ab. So a is here root 3 square plus root 7 square minus 2 into root 3 into root 7. Root 3 square is equal to 3 and root 7 square is equal to 7 minus 2 into root 21. 3 into 7 will become 21, and 3 plus 7 is equal to 10 minus 2 root 21. Next, fifth part, root 2 plus root 3 into root 5 plus root 7. So first with first number we will multiply the second bracket, root 2 multiply by root 5 plus root 7. Then with the second number we will multiply second bracket. Now we have to remove this bracket. Root 2 into root 5 will become root 10. Then root 2 into root 7 will become root 14. Root 3 into root 5 will become root 15. And root 3 into root 7 will become root 20. More than this we cannot simplify. This is our answer. Next, sixth part, 4 root 5 into root 3 minus root 7. So first with the first number we will multiply second bracket. Then with the second number we will multiply second bracket. Now we will remove this bracket. 4 into root 3 is equal to 4 root 3 and 4 into root 7 is equal to 4 root 7. Then root 5 into root 3 will become root 15, and root 5 into root 7 will become root 35, and minus symbol will come. More than this we cannot simplify, so this is our answer. Next we have question number 3. If root 2 value is 1.414, then find the value of root 8 plus root 50 plus root 72 plus root 98. So first we will simplify all these words, and later on we will substitute the value of root 2. Root 8 we can write as 4 into 2. Root 50 we can write as 25 into 2. Root 72 we can write as 36 into 2, and 98 we can write as 49 into 2. From these number, 4 is a perfect square, so root of 4 is equal to 2. We can write it as 2 root 2. Similarly, 25 is also a perfect square, we can write it as 5 root 2. 36 we can write as 6 root 2, and this 49 we can write as 7 root 2. Now root 2 is there. So we can write it as 2 plus 5 plus 6 plus 7 root 2. 2 plus 5 is 7, 7 plus 6 13, and 13 plus 7 is equal to 20. So we have 20 into root 2. After simplification, now we will substitute root 2 value. 20 into 1.414, which is equal to 28.28. Next second part, 3 root 32 minus 2 root 50 plus 4 root 128 and 20 root 18. So first these words we will simplify. We can write root 32 is equal to 16 into 2, and 50 we can write as 25 into 2. 128 we can write as 64 into 2, and 18 we can write as 9 into 2. Now 16 square root is equal to 4, so this will become 4 root 2. Then 25 5 root 2 plus 4 8 root 2 minus 20 3 root 2. Now we can multiply 3 into 4 12 root 2 minus 10 root 2 plus 32 root 2 and minus 60 root 2. Root 2 we can take out common. 12 minus 10 plus 32 minus 60 root 2. After simplification we will get minus 26 root 2. Now root 2 value we can substitute, minus 26 into 1.414. After multiplication we will get 76.764. Not 76, sorry, minus 36.764. So in this video we will do till here. Remaining questions we will continue in the next video. Thank you for watching this video.